Welcome to J&J Auto Wrecking test video of S2CE367. Today we're checking out a 2002 Chevrolet 2500HD 6-liter 4L80E truck, Summit white in color, LQ4 under the hood, running great. Nice new battery on it, new manifold bolts. Somebody cared about this unit. Like I said, Summit white truck, actually a used car trade-in, so yeah, 0 to 60 eventually. Southern truck, Texas if I remember correctly, or Mississippi. Runs good, a lot of good rust-free parts on it. You need body parts, we got you covered. Felony Forest up there, smells like such. Oh look, we got a misfire. Yeah, that does not sound the greatest. We'll go ahead and leak down test this thing and find what old boy missed. Transmission goes into drive. Into reverse as well. Yes, we're low on fuel. Everything is not happy with us. Power mirrors. Well, they don't work because the switch is dead like most of them. So, just gonna have to take our word on it. Yeah. Alright, well, it has Escalade speedometer in it. Like I said, good cheap Southern truck. Can't win them all. Guys, that is going to conclude the J&J Auto Wrecking test video of our 02 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD. If you guys are looking for any of the parts you may have seen in this video, head on over to our website. There'll be a link in the description down below. I'm John at J&J Auto Wrecking. Thanks for watching.